Hey everyone, today I am going to demonstrate how not to shuffle your Spotify playlist. To begin, go to the App Store and check to see whether you have the most recent version of Spotify installed. If so, start the application and then, once the Spotify is fully loaded, let's scroll down and randomly select a mix play and then play a song. So here's the problem. Whenever I play a music, the next song is on shuffle. So, how do we fix it? The shuffle symbol is located on the lower left corner of the screen. If we turn it off and hit the next button, the song will be not shuffled. And if we turn it on, the song will be shuffled. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching the video. See see you again on my next video. Thank you.